New South Wales cricket team. The New South Wales cricket team, currently named NSW Blues, are an Australian men's professional first-class cricket team based in Sydney, New South Wales. The team competes in the Australian first-class cricket competition known as the Sheffield Shield and the limited overs Marsh One-Day Cup. The team previously played in the now defunct 2020 Big Bash, which has since been replaced by the Big Bash League since the 2011-12 season. New South Wales were the inaugural winners of the Champions League 2020. They are the most successful domestic cricket side in Australia, having won the first-class competition 47 times. In addition, they have also won the Australian Domestic Limited Overs Cricket Tournament Cup 11 times. They occasionally play first-class matches against touring international sides. New South Wales have played teams representing 9 of the 12 Test-playing nations. Besides its domestic successes, the state is also known for producing some of the finest Australian cricketers to have graced the game. Colours and badge. The primary club colour of New South Wales Blues is sky blue, which represents the state colour of New South Wales. The secondary club colour is dark blue with additional contrasting colour of white. Shirt sponsors and manufacturers. Squad. Players with international caps are listed in bold. The squad for the 2019-20 season was as follows. Notable players. The following is a list of notable players who have represented Australia in Test matches. The following is a list of players who have represented other nations in Test matches. Honours. Sheffield Shield / Pura Cup champions, 471,895-96, 1896-97, 1899, 1900, 1901-2, 1902-3, 1903-4, 1904-5, 1905-6, 1906-7, 1908. Records. Most first-class matches played. Most first-class runs. Most first-class wickets.